Hi my friends, thank you for tuning in. Today I will be showing you how to jumpstart your Toyota Prius 2007 model. It is the same for the 2008 and other models as well. Actually, it's been a while I have not started this car, and today I just decided to bring it out and clean it up, and I found out that the battery is dead, so I'm just gonna make a quick video on how I'm gonna jumpstart it. So firstly, you go to the fuse box and you open it up. There you find the positive end, which is the red end, and in there you see this knob. This is where your negative end will go. Don't confuse it for this other one, but it is this one right here. So all you do is you connect the black one, which is a negative one, to that knob, and then you hook up the other end to the one that is inside your fuse box, and then of course you hook up the same at your other vehicle that you're gonna use to jumpstart it, or your jumpstart box. So it is that simple, and then you can now start your car. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and leave a comment below, and also don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you.